Hi, I'm Ricardo, and this is Petit Coding. Okay, so we need the next dates for these edge cases. So I'm going to follow up. So last time we did for the support date with the 3 dates when we were in date when the current date was 13. So now we need to go to when the current date 14. So I'm going to just copy and paste this test, and I'm going to put it after the when is next marksman date. So here, when is next marksman date test, when date is November 14, 2019. When is next, not support, but marksman date, returns December, it should return, so plus 3 which should be December 05, 2019, right? So when current date is 14/11 and the calculated marks will be the marksman, right? So it should be in day 5/12/2019. Command U. I just pressed Command U. It's taking a little bit of time since I just started Xcode, and the test is passing. Okay, so you can see for marksman is passing. Let's do the other cases for marksman. So when date is November 15, 2019, when is next marksman date? It should still return December 5th, right? So December 15, current month 11, marksman, the same date. Command U. The test is passing. Now the same date for November 16, right? So when date is no test, when date is November 16, no 2019, when is next marksman day returns December 5. Okay, so current date will be 16, 11, marksman day 5, 12, 11, 19, command U. And all the tests for marksman are passing. Now I want to do it for the tank date. So the tank date now will be November 17. So let me just copy this one and see when date is November. Tank date. So here is November 17, right? So when current date is November 17th. So I'm going to put it here. Test when date is November 17th, 2019. When is next tank date? Next tank date returns December 8th should be, because it will be 3 days later. So when date is November 17, right? 11, the calculator emblem will be tank, and it should return November 8th, 2019, command U. And it's passing, so I gotta do this for the next 3 days. Command C, command V. When is November 18, 2019? When is next time date? Returns the same, so now it will be 18. Command U. It's the same. And now for November 18, 19, it should be the same. Command U. I'm doing the second loop for the weak cases, so it's probably getting right. So I'm getting this, this, and this. Now test when date is, so I need the November 20, right? So my next is for jungle when date is November 20. So let me just get here. This is October 18, October 18. So this is November 20. This is November 20. This is November 20. So here, I'll put it here. When date is November 20, 2019. When is next? It's not assassin. So I should put it not here, but here. When date is November 20, 2019. When is next jungle date? When is next, not tank date, but jungle date? Returns, so this plus 3. This is December 11, 2019. So when I'm in November 11, for my jungle emblem, the date should be December 11, okay? 2019, Command U. The test is passing. Control I. I will do this for all the 3 dates later here. So November 21 should be the same. Command U. And I should do it for November 22. November 22, day 22 here. Command U. So it's passing, it's passing, it's passing. So I'm good with this right now. Now the next is assassin date, so November 22. So when I did November 22, yeah, I should return November 23. So now it should be when it's November 23. Yeah. So when is next assassin date? Here. Test when November is November 23, 2019. When is next assassin date? Returns December. It should be plus 3, so December 14, right? 2019. So when we are 24, yeah, this is 11, this is again 11. This is the assassin emblem in day 14. Command U. So it's passing again. I need the other 2 dates just to cover all the edge cases. November 24. I mean November 25th. November 25th. This should be 24, not November 23. November 25th. Vermont 11. Assassin in day 14. Command U. Okay. The next day also. November 26. So November 26 here. Command U. So these all are passing. Now the final one, when mate's date is when date is November 27, right? So day 26. Oh, I see here. This is getting the assassin date, but actually, let me just make this change because it's the mage. And this is also the mage. And this is also the mage. Yeah, I didn't see that before, but Command U. Okay. So now test when date is November 26. Right? When date is November 26, 2019, when is next mage date? Mage date returns December 17, right? So when I'm in 26, I need to add 3 here, and I need to put a mage. Command U. So it's passing, and I'll just do the same for when date is November 27, it should be the same here, Command U. And then the same should be when is November 28. When date is November 28, 2019. Current month, March, okay, Command U. Okay, so we did the edge cases for all the next week, so I'm going to commit a push to remote, added all test cases for the next loop of the week. Commit one file and push. Okay, so we did for all of this. Let's see what else we can do. So one final test I want to do right now is I want to see the next date from today. So today is Sunday, July 5th, and I wanna test the next fighter emblem, and I happen to know that the next fighter emblem for this should be Friday, July 17, 2020. So let me just see if this works just by adding the date, only the date, not date and time. And then next video, I'm kind of bothered with this because I have too much magic numbers and I want to refactor this. So let me just do first thing first. Okay, so test when date is July. So I can do this actually. I can copy and paste this test. So test when date is July. When date is July 05 2020, not 2019. So this is just a little bit in the future. When is next fighter emblem? Just to get a chance for it. What is next fighter emblem? When is next fighter emblem? Returns July 17, 2020. Okay. If you do the conversions and if you keep on going, you will see that this is the exact date when my date is in this date. So my current date today is 5 and my current month is 7. Now I have to put in the current year, that is 2020. Okay, and the calculated emblem I want to search is now the fighter. And it should be in days 17, month 7, in year 2020. So if I do Command U, now it's working. So I'm got a feeling it's working for all the dates now. So I'm going to push and commit this. Commit first, not push. So push to remote, and yeah, I added a more generic test to test the algorithm for the next dates, but it's missing the timestamps. Okay, I think that's all for this video. I will do in the next video. I will convert this to get rid of the magic numbers, and also I will add one more test, adding the timestamp and all of that to see if it's actually working with the timestamp, and to see it's not only just because I'm in July 7th. And also I will create another test for the next date I will be filming this. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you want me to get more content, and also push that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.